Hi all, and welcome to my little outdoor vlog here. Yeah, I'm just soaking in the first day of spring here in Denmark. All the snow is gone, and my dog is merrily trotting around, looking for a place to... Yeah, I'm not gonna say that. Oh my god. Oh, it is a beautiful summer's day. Well, it's not summer, but yeah, you know what I mean. Spring day. I don't know if you can see them all that well over there. Yeah, give me just a second and I'll be right back. And we are back. Just got it into landscape mode instead. The other way was pretty good, but this way you get widescreen TV. Oh yeah. Where's that dog? Where is that dog? Oh, he found a bush. He found a bush. And there he goes. So let's leave him be a bit and have a look at all of the beautiful nature. What the heck is that up there? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Vicious dog. Vicious dog. Well, that's a vicious dog. There's a Max. Yeah, there's one vicious dog. See you in a bit. And we are back. I just had a little family come and say hi to Max. I don't know if you can see him down there. Yeah. It's a bit hard. Where is he? He should be down there. Down there somewhere. Down there. Yeah. There's a little family. They are down there by the swing set. I couldn't well stand and speak English to them. We are living in Denmark. That's a Max. Yeah, well, he's done his thing, and we have been out walking for the better half of half an hour now. So yeah, I think he's just about spent. Oh yeah. I don't know about you guys, but would you like me to do some of these outdoor vlogs here, where we go out and see the landscapes and stuff like that? I could show you more of Denmark if you want, for those of you who can't travel to Denmark. We could do some sightseeing and stuff like that. Of course, I will do it with with a better camera than my iPhone. So yeah, leave in the comments below if you wanted to see, have me do a vlog sightseeing of Denmark. That could be cool. That could be that could be quite a lot of videos actually. So yeah, as always, thank you all so very much for watching. And from me and Max, catch you on the flip side.